A lei federal na Merca aborta proteha victimanan de deepfakes explicito. Presidente Donald Trump afirma acta recientemente que permite victimanan toma acción legal contra están que compartir portrait o vídeo explícito falso online sin consentimiento. Nos colega Cheryl Hubbard tem más.
President Donald Trump, alongside the First Lady, signed the Take It Down Act today. The federal law will criminalize the sharing of non-consensual, explicit deep fakes, images in which a person's face is superimposed on a nude body using artificial intelligence without their permission. The president says anyone convicted of intentionally distributing explicit images without the subject's consent will face time in prison.
We will not tolerate online sexual exploitation, and especially it's gone on at levels that nobody's ever seen before. It's getting worse and worse, and I think this is going to hopefully stop it.
First Lady Melania Trump said the law was a powerful first step in protecting America's youth.
As First Lady, my Be Best initiative is focused on improving children's well-being, encouraging kindness, and creating a safer online environment for our youth. Today, I'm proud to say that the values of Be Best will be reflected in the law of the land.
The law will also require tech platforms to take an active role in combating the issue, requiring them to remove such images within 48 hours of being notified about them.
The Take It Down Act will protect victims of digital exploitation, hold internet platforms accountable by requiring them to remove such imagery from their platforms.
The act received bipartisan support in Congress.
The yeas are 409, the nays are 2.
I'm Cheryl Hubbard reporting.
Investigadores estão buscando e contesta de Kiko por causa que o barco Mexicano acidentar contra a brug na Brooklyn, New York, caminho dos marinheiros a perder a vida. O barco estava arriba tour rumo para Islândia no momento que dal contra o monumento icônico na New York. Nosso colega Maribel Gonzalez tem informe.
New Yorkers strolling the Brooklyn promenade stunned as a Mexican naval trading ship slams into the Brooklyn Bridge.
Until the boat actually hit the bridge, I don't feel like anyone discerned the danger of the situation.
Flavio Moreira was walking with his family Saturday night and caught it all on camera.
Yeah, it hit it, and there was a little bit of commotion.
On board the ship, 2 Mexican crew members lost their lives, and more than 20 were injured. A senior official says the captain told investigators he lost steering after the rudder stopped working.
A los jóvenes, pues nuestro cariño, a sus familias.
Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum shared her condolences with the families of those killed. She says Mexican authorities will conduct their own investigation. Meanwhile, investigators with the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board are in New York, where the ship's data recorder is expected to reveal crucial information.
We will be looking into 3 main areas while we're on scene. First being the crew and the operation of the crew, the vessel and the condition of the vessel, and finally the environment, and that includes the weather.
As for the bridge, it's back open after a temporary closure.
Information is that there was no any major damage to the bridge.
I'm Maribel Gonzalez reporting.
Y recientemente, expertos han analizado con Porco por ayuda de escasez de organonan humano, mediante lo que se llama xenotransplante. Descubrí que hay similaridad y diferencia de lo que se hace con el organonan de porco porque está compatible con humano.
Some scientists think this animal could be the solution to our organ shortage crisis. It's called xenotransplantation, using animal organs in humans. But why pigs and not other animals? Let's start with size. Pigs are anatomically similar to us, so an organ from a 150-pound pig is actually a pretty good size for the human body. In fact, we've already been using pig heart valves in humans for decades. Then their scale. Pigs are born in large litters, so you can get 10 to 12 animals growing to human-compatible size within 6 to 12 months. A primate, on the other hand, could take 20 years to grow to the right size, and like us, usually only have one offspring at a time. Now, evolutionarily, pigs are farther away from us than primates. That's actually a good thing. That's because almost all the viruses that infect pigs don't infect humans, reducing the potential spread of disease. Pigs can also be raised indoors, which allows donor pigs to live in pathogen-free environments, further limiting the spread of disease. But pigs aren't a perfect fit. Scientists actually have to edit them to be more genetically compatible. This lowers the chance the organ will be rejected by the human body. Xenotransplantation alone may not solve the organ shortage crisis, but it could save lives and even be an important scientific bridge to a bigger solution.
Aldric Werleman, Telenoticia.